Prep the mold. We coat the mold with release agent to ensure easy demolding later. Fiberglass layering. Manually place fiberglass mats into the mold. Our craftsmen hand sand with graded precision, transforming rugged surfaces into sleek. Sanded to perfection, flawless fiberglass finishes. Every piece undergoes meticulous hand sanding and spot repairing, all to achieve that flawless finish. Spray paint seals pores, resists moisture, UV, and adds scratch protection. Hand-painted craftsmanship ensures unique, high-end customization with free gradients, all at low cost. Rigorous quality testing ensures full compliance with standards. Custom wooden crating ensures safe delivery with minimal breakage.